Okay, passing is a 66. Off to, well, I don't know where it's going, but it is 66 114, and it looks like 66 773 is departing as well. If you're wondering why I'm out of breath, you might be wondering why I'm out of breath, but the reason why I'm out of breath is because I want to get the start of this. So we might get a little tone out of it, but it's ready to go, so I'll keep rocking and rolling. Was it 82 something? $82,206. $82,206 off to London King's Cross. That's cool. Look at this. Now, whilst it's departing, don't know about you, but I've seen a lot of train spotters here, and I think something's happening. Hopefully something does happen whilst I'm here. Quite nice. And there on the rear is 91-112 off to London King's Cross. So yeah, I think there's a special coming. I'm not too sure. Haven't asked anybody yet. Hopefully there will be a special, because there are quite a lot of train spotters here. So yeah, I think JM Trains is there, I'm not too sure, but I've just ran from down there to get that train. But never mind, good exercise. Let's see what else turns up. In fact, I quite like it down here. Very nice, very busy. You know, down there it's just nothing. Good vantage point down there, but just nah.
Personal belongings with them at all times.
So let's see what else shall arrive and depart and surprise us, because again I think a special's coming. Not too sure. Let's find out after the break. No, joking. Don't say after the break, it's not right.